Hey guys, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me. Well, this is a look outside my front door. You see all the gorgeous cows over there? It is a beautiful country view. This is where I live. And I'm going to flip you around and you'll be able to see where we're going to go in from. Hold on. Alright guys, here's my front porch. And please excuse the pollen. No, I did not clean it off. We're going to walk on in and we'll do a little bit of chit-chatting about what's going on. This is a table, and I know it still needs some work, but this is the table that I got from Goodwill. I think I paid like maybe $7 for it, and that's where I put our fairy garden. I think she's still looking good. And then these are the chairs. I did paint the black on the chairs to give it a little bit more of a kick. And look at my lopsided candle in there. There's that little table that I have. And it's decorated a bit. It's so noisy out here. I don't sit out often, but every now and again I do. And that is all the traffic in the reflection. That's my barn. It says welcome friends. And hold on, we'll go inside. Hold tight. Alright, welcome in the foyer. It's just a little entryway, that's all. There's my dry sink. And there's my basket that I made with Creative Lori's Challenge. And I know you don't see a lot of pictures with me, but that's my grandmother. And that's my grandmother and grandfather on their wedding day. I love that picture, and it will stay there all the time. There's my London Parliament building. And over there is where I have a little bit of milk glass stored up. And that's my Big Ben Tower, or Elizabeth Tower, that I built. Alright, let's go inside. Shih Tzus wait for us. This is where I live. It's just set up for me. That's all. Me and the puppies. But I just want to give you a peek. This is one of my shelving units that I keep my tiered stands, my teapots, my vintage. There's my hazel atlas, my cake domes, my new curtains that I put up. There is my DIY. I made that from signs from the Dollar Tree, and I just painted it and then painted white. And that's coming up. I've got that preset a little bit for Trooping the Color with the Union Jack or the Union flag. And my chest that I painted. My sideboard. These are my pictures that I did. I bought those at the Goodwill. And I framed them up like this. I thought they looked really, really good. And if y'all remember that picture there, that's the one that actually came as just a frame filler. And I said, you're not going to just frame fill my boxes. So I fixed it up, and now it's hanging beside my thermostat. Alright, let's turn around. Don't look at my house. It's a mess. Well, you're looking at my house, but it's full of dogs, and I just fixed a blanket before I started recording, and of course, they messed it up, but they live here. That's my coffee table, and I have the decor set for that. And of course, y'all have seen my shelves. My gorgeous, gorgeous Delft blue. My corner cupboard is full of my British stuff. I'm not going to call her name, but y'all know who she is. I had to give that voice a face. Jordan actually painted that. There's my buffet. And here is my other wall. Those are stickers that I got from Wish. Alright, we're making our way over here. Okay guys, it's one time and one time only. This is my bedroom. The only reason I brought you in here is because I wanted you to see my phone box that I made. This is on a vintage mirror on the closet door, and I just went around with red and I made my own phone box. And again, it's on my closet door. There's a handle, but I'll step in for a call. Alright guys, it's time to go into the kitchen. There's my cow. I love animals. This is my coffee station I have set and ready to go. Going with a little bit of pink and white. My gold teapot. See, that's where I put my red thing I did on my Goodwill haul. Those are my Johnson Brother cups, or teacups. Up there is a jumble of mess, but there's some of my brown drip up there. This is my table that I have set for right now. I thought it was really pretty. It's not finished, but it's for now. There's some more of my brown drip. In my kitchen. There's my milk glass spice rack that I bought. My welcome to spring vignette. And yep, we're going in here. This is where I put that other rack that I got that I said I was going to use for my spices. So that's my overflow. And again, don't look at the mess. It's tight fit in here. There's my babies. Look at my beautiful children. More brown drip. Alright, now, we're coming in the bathroom. It's so little, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to show you. I might have to go outside with this. Hold on. Alright, so, here's my bathroom. I'll do it over here. That's my shower curtain. And my window. I've got flowers in the window. There's my toilet paper holder that I made in the background. And these are, they came in white and I just put stickers on them. Here's my towel rack. And this is some artwork that I made. I don't know if y'all remember me doing that or not. And then there's another one that I made. And that's about it, guys. Talk to you in a second. Alright guys, well that's it. Y'all said you'd be interested in seeing where I live. Well, that's where I live. It's just a little bitty house. My son has his own side next door. And you know, at the other side of the foyer. But he has his own entrance. He goes and comes as he wants. He's almost 30 years old. Of course he does. But I'm thankful that he still lives with me because it helps me out a lot. Some. But anyway, guys. Thanks for joining. I hope it wasn't a letdown. I'm not a big fancy person. I'm just a simple little country girl. And this is how I live, and this is what I do. So until next time, please subscribe, share, comment, and like.